back to my channel. I'm McKiztosh, founder of McKiztosh Dance, where we do all things Kizomba. So today I've got another tutorial for the followers. It's an intermediate Kizomba fusion moves we're going to be putting together. So we're going to incorporate our female lady Saida and see how we get on with that. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this content with a friend. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to teach you our Lady Saida, or go over it, our female Lady Saida. So we are stepping back with the right foot, 1. We come out to the side, here, 2, forward, 3, come back in on 4 with the left leg and close on 5. Yeah, our basic female Saida. We go back, 1, 2, forward, come in and close. Time we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the front we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So from there, for our our set of moves that we're going to do our female Saida. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to stop on 4 here, and you're going to do a shuffle, turning back towards your left shoulder, turning back so you face the back now. We shuffle right foot first, right, left. Yeah? Then we step back one more time with the right foot, and we keep turning, keeping the momentum turning towards our left, stepping back on the right, returning here with the left foot, and then we shuffle again here. Shuffle. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and shuffle, step back. Step and shuffle, step. Yeah, one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step. The count, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 8, and 1. Yeah, so our right leg is going back on 1. Do that to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yeah? One more time slowly. From the top, going back. Right, left, forward, right. Stepping on this left leg, you're already geared up to turn. Yes? You're already geared up to turn behind you. Your left shoulder. We shuffle, right, left. Yeah, the shuffle, we get the right out and we join with the left foot. Shuffle. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Yes? We step back again with the right foot and we're continuing to turn. We step with the left and we're shuffling here again. Right, left, and step back. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes? So to finish it, we come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. You're going to step out with the left foot on 2. And then we're going to lift the right leg, 3, 4. Come back down with the right leg on 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that's just a basic one once you put your foot back down. So you step back on 1 with the right, we come out on 2, we lift the right leg, 3, 4, come back down on 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so that's right, left. From the front, we step back on 1, we come out with the left, 2, picking the right foot up, 3, 4, come back down on 5, 6, 7, 8. The whole combo together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the front, we go 1, right leg here. So it's 1, 2, lifting on 3, holding on 4, come back down on 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So that's the whole tutorial. We're going to try and put it to music. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share this content if you enjoyed it, so that you can see more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on a video. I've been McKiztosh Dance. Let's go with the music.
Dessa vez, faça tudo, não vou deixar escapar nenhum momento em que nós dois. Dessa vez eu te canto na alegria. Dessa vez eu te canto na alegria.